Alright, this is going to be my first attempt to try to catch a round. This is why. I can't really see the bullet. I want to know what it looks like. Also, I want to know what it will do to a cantaloupe, which is, I'm not sure if a cantaloupe's like a head or anything, but yeah, I shot other stuff with cantaloupe. It reacts pretty good. But this is my my Nagant pistol. 7.62 by 38. Let's see what this thing does. Let's see if I bit off more than I could chew. There we go. I do believe it came all the way back and hit me. Where's it at? That is crazy. I know it did. Yep, there it is. Look at this. Right there. That's why I always say never do what I do. That round went through all the jugs, went through the cantaloupe, came back, hit me in the leg. Let's take a look at this. Cantaloupe. Went through that jug, went through this jug, went through that jug. I do believe it then bounced off the metal, hit the tree, came back. All right. Bye.